In this video, you'll learn how to change a country in Binance. This process involves verifying your identity and contacting support for assistance with the change. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or the account section located in the upper right corner of the interface. After accessing your profile settings, locate the identification section. It is important to note that your country is linked to your Know Your Customer or KYC verification. Due to this linkage, you cannot change your country directly without updating your verification details. Next, you will need to contact Binance support to request a country change. Open the Help Center, which is often accessible from the main menu or footer of the page. Once you are in the Help Center, look for the option to submit a support request. In your support request, clearly explain the reason for your country change. Additionally, you will be required to upload the necessary identity documents that correspond to your new country. Ensure that these documents are clear and meet the requirements specified by Binance to avoid delays. After submitting your request, Binance will begin reviewing it. During this period, it is advisable to monitor your email for any instructions or updates from the support team. They may provide additional steps or request further documentation as part of their review process. Once your request is approved, the country setting in your Binance account will update automatically. It is important to check that the changes have been applied correctly by revisiting your profile settings to confirm the new country designation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.